Hello friends, welcome to EduACS, your education mentor. Friend, in this session we will discuss about the Pondicherry State NEET Counseling 2021, and as all the states conduct their own counseling for the NEET UG activities after the NEET examination. Once the student will be having their scorecard in their hand, then the central government will conduct their own counseling for the government college and for the private college on NPC portal, and respective all the states will be conducting their own state level counseling. So likewise Pondicherry will be also conducting the counseling state counseling. So here we will discuss about the Pondicherry State Counseling. So all the students, those who belong to the Pondicherry is a UT Union Territory, and those students, those who don't belong to the Pondicherry, you belong to some other part of India and you wish to take admission in the Pondicherry medical colleges. So what should be your approach for this counseling activity? So in this session we are going to discuss all these things. So Pondicherry is a small state that is a union territory. So first of all we will see what is the student matrix over there. In India we can see that around 16 lakh of students are appearing for this examination. So what is the total number of students which are appearing from the Pondicherry itself? If we see the stats of the last year of the year 2020, so around 4,474 students are the students those who have appeared for this examination, and finally when the result came, around 2,362 students have qualified from the Pondicherry. So Pondicherry is having a decent passing rate, something around 53% of passing rate. So here we can see that around like less than 2,500 students have just qualified from the Pondicherry states. So these are the stats of Pondicherry. Likewise, every year the some student used to increase. So in this year, in 2021, we can expect that this figure of 2362 can move up to 2500 and so on. So now we will see that what are the total number of colleges which this state is having, including both government and private medical college. In government, this state is having only one medical college, Indira Gandhi Medical College and Research. These are having the seats in the 4 different regions. And apart from this, the Pondicherry is having 3 private medical college. Pondicherry Institute of Medical Science, which is in Pondicherry itself. Second one is Malakula Medical College, which is also in Pondicherry, and the third one is Shri Venkateshwara Medical College, which is also in Pondicherry. These are the 3 private medical college of Pondicherry, and all the 3 colleges are having 150 seats each for MBBS. So Pondicherry is having total 450 seats for in private medical college, which is also known as self-finance medical college. And the special thing about the private medical college is that all the students of Pondicherry and the student those who don't belong to the Pondicherry, you belong to the some other part of India, like you belong to the Maharashtra, Karnataka, UP, Rajasthan, Kerala and so on. So you can also participate in this counseling. So here we can consider that we can conclude that Pondicherry is an open state for a private medical college, where the student of Pondicherry and the other states of like other students of the different states can also participate in the private medical college counseling. Now coming to the government medical college, so the Indira Gandhi Medical College is having total 180 seats for MBBS. So as all the states used to give 15% seats to the like all India quota, so 15% seats used to go for the all India quota, and some of the seats used to go for the central pool quota also. So the total number of seats which the Pondicherry is having for their individual state is 136 as of now. So in 136 seats, only the student of Pondicherry can participate, and if you want to take the admission in this government medical college and you belong to some other part of India, then you can take that admission through the All India Quota Counseling, which is conducted by the MCC. So now the question arises that what can be a cutoff for the All India quota if I wish to take admission in the Pondicherry Government Medical College. So for the All India quota for the general category, the cutoff should be something around 610 plus in the year 2021 after concluding the stats of 2020. And now coming to the cutoff of like state, so here we can see that like reservation for Christian minority of UT of Pondicherry, there is a reservation policy, and there is also a horizontal reservation policy over there. and there's a reservation for the Telugu minority of UT of Pondicherry also. So here what we can see that their total number of seats is 136. And what are these regions? These regions are Pondicherry, Karaikal, Yemen and Mahe. So starting from the general category, from the NR category, if we see the cutoff of the Pondicherry region, in the round number first it was 510, in the round number 2 it was 554. So here we can say that if you are from the Pondicherry region and you are expecting a seat in the government medical college, your all India rank should be around less than 70,000, and average score you can take like something around 525 plus for the government medical college. And this score which I am telling you, that is the minimum cutoff. If you are sitting something around 550 plus, then you can easily grab down the government medical college from the Pondicherry region. Now coming to the Karaikal. In the Karaikal, the last year the cutoff have closed on 461 out of 720 with the all India rank of 1,21,000. So if you are getting a rank something around 1 lakh, you are very much sure that you will be getting a seat in the government medical college. Now coming to the Yemen. In the Yemen there are only 2 seats reserved for the general category. So in the first round the seats have closed on 342. So here if you can get a number of 400, you can easily get a seat in this region. And coming to the Mahe, in the round first it was 487, in the round 2 it was 485. So if you are having a rank less than 1 lakh, so you will be having a decent chance to get a seat in the government medical college. These are the cutoff for the general categories, and likewise there are the other categories are also having the cutoff. In EWS, something like with the score of 250 to 300, you can easily get out the seat in the government medical college. Rank can be under 4 lakh. In the OBC, it is very much near to the general. So in OBC, for the area of region of Pondicherry, it will be under 70,000 rank for, and in respects of NEET score you can consider like 510 out of 720. Coming to the Karaikal region, for the OBC students, it's 411 for the last year. So if you are having something around a rank of 1,25,000, you can get a seat in the government medical college from the Karaikal region. In Yemen, there is no seat reserved for the OBC. Mahe, there is a score of 430 out of 720. So if you are having your rank under 1,50,000, you can easily get a seat in the Mahe region with the OBC category. So likewise, there are some other categories also: MBC, SC, ST, BT, BCM, Freedom Fighter, and so on. So in our in the description we will be giving you one PDF. You can download that PDF. From that PDF you can get the entire detail of each and every college and what was the closing cutoff in the last year. Fine, these are the cutoff for this government medical college. For the SC, it was you can target something around 300 marks for the SC category. For the ST, there is no seat reserved over there. And for the BCM, something around 450 you can take. And like for the Freedom Fighter, you can target something around 400 marks for the government medical college. And with the NRI category, something around 200 to 250 you can get a seat over there. Now moving to the private medical college of Pondicherry region. So as I've told you that there are 3 private medical colleges in Pondicherry and all are having 150 seats. And coming to the tuition fees, the most of people are concerned about what will be the tuition fees where I will be taking admission. So in this private medical college there is also government quota. In the government quota, only the UT candidates can apply, or we can say that only the domicile candidates or the Pondicherry students can apply. And if the other state student wish to take admission in these colleges, you can participate for the counseling and you will be getting a seat under the Maimon quota. The annual tuition fees for the Maimon quota is 16 lakh rupees. And one thing more, most of the South Indian states used to charge the tuition fees of 5 years. Like in North India, most of the colleges used to charge the fees of 4.5 years. But if you are taking something admission in Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu and all, so the college will be charging a fees of 5 years. So for the Maimon quota, the total package for the 5 years, including all the fees, 16 into 5 is like 18 lakh rupees, and including hostel and mess, your cost of education for the entire course of MBBS will be something around 19 lakh rupees. Fine. So for the Maimon quota, for the student, those who belong to the UT or you don't belong to the UT, if you want to take admission in the Pondicherry for the private medical college, so if you are having your score something around 400 or even 350, you have a decent chance to get admission over there. Okay friends, now there are some other categories also which are for the domicile students, and apart from like this Maimen quota, if you wish you can also apply for the NRI quota. So in the NRI quota the fees is 20,50,000 annually. So here your package you moved around something around 1 crore 10 lakh rupees. So in this NRI quota, even you can take the admission even with a very low score if you are just qualified. So you can get the admission in these colleges. Fine. So these are like the tuition fees and the expected cutoff for the Maimen quota. For the student those who wish to take admission in the Pondicherry under the Maimen quota, your score should be with the score of 350 or 400. You have a very decent chance to get a seat over there, and the tuition fees will be 16 lakh rupees annually, payable for the 5 years. Now coming to the cutoff of the state students. So for the general, if we say the general, so you are getting a government quota over here, and in the government quota your tuition fees is 3.80 annually. Fine, less than 4 lakh rupees. So if we can see that for the with the score of something around 450 or 440, you have a very decent chance to get a seat in your state. Fine. So we can say that if you are getting something around 1,50,000 rank actually, so with the rank of 1,50,000 you can get a seat with the fees of only 3.80 annually. Fine. So likewise OBC, like little bit less number from general, so you can consider if you are getting a all India rank of 1,70,000 or you are getting a number of 400, 420, 430, you can get the seat under the OBC category. Fine. In SC the score is expected around 250. So even with the rank of 4,50,000 you can get a seat in this in the government quota. So in the government quota the main thing is that only the state student can apply, and the state student, if you wish to know the cutoff of each and every college of the different categories, you can download the PDF from the description section. From there you can get the cutoff and all the details for each and every college. So these are like some seat matrix of the Pondicherry state. Now as for the seat matrix says that the Pondicherry is having 75% reservations, vertical reservation. Karaikal is having 18% vertical reservation, and Yemen is having 6% reservation. So if we see that the total number of general seats in the government medical college is 54 for the state students. So this is all the stats for the Pondicherry state counseling. This counseling will be conducting online, and all the students have to register over there. You have to do the online enrollment, and you have to pay likewise near about 3,000 of charge over there for enrolling yourself. Last year they have charged 3,000 rupees, and you can do the online registration. First round of counseling and second round of counseling will be conducted online, and the last round of counseling, which is known as mop-up round, that will be conducted offline. Fine. And like if somebody belongs to the Pondicherry and you are not able to get in the Pondicherry seat in the Pondicherry, then you can apply for the deemed university or the open states. So there you can get a seat very easily. Apart from this state counseling, apart from this state colleges, there are a lot of deemed universities which are there in Pondicherry, like Adupadai, Balaji, and this MGM. These are very good universities, and the tuition fees in these deemed universities is something around 23 lakh 24 lakh rupees annually, and a student with a score of like 200 250 can easily get the seat over there. If you belong to the any part of India, you can you are eligible to take the admission in the deemed university. Deemed university is open for all, that is central government private institutions. So there are around 4 deemed universities in Pondicherry. Everybody can participate over there. For participating in the deemed university, as you might be knowing that you have to participate through the MCC portal, Medical Counseling Committee portal, which is like central government portal. So this is all about Pondicherry, friends. If you are like having any more doubts which I am not able to cover in this session, then you can like ask your questions in the comment section. We will try to help you out, friends. And in our like official website of eduaccess.com, you can get the cutoff and fees details of all the states. So that is definitely going to help you out in your while you're counseling, friends. So this is all about today, friend. Thank you so much for your valuable time, friend, and all the best for your NEET examination, friend. Thank you.